Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just filming this green eye look that I came up with out of the blue. I had such a big struggle making it, but I'm gonna make it look easy for you. So other than that, make sure you guys keep on watching my video. Also guys, I do not show my foundation routine anymore. I'm pretty sure this is like the third time I mentioned this. I'm not showing my foundation routine anymore, only my highlight and what I put on my lips and eyes. Other than that, I'm not, unless you guys ask for like a brow routine or a foundation routine, and if you guys don't, then I'm not really gonna show it. But if I do change it up, then I will of course show it, because I showed it in my like maybe 3 videos ago, I don't know. But other than that, if you guys really like this look, keep on watching. The first color you want to go into is Dust in the 3502 Morphe palette, Second Nature, and you want to put that just as your transition shade. Next, you're gonna go in with the shade Toast right under that. You want to use a fluffy brush for this, and I use my highlight brush by Equal Tools, and it really blends everything together very nicely. So next I'm gonna go in with Rich, and I'm gonna put that way above the colors I just added. Next I'm gonna take the shade Muddy, and I'm going to put that right under with another Equal Tools brush that's gonna hyper focus where this color goes, and I want it hyper focused just so I can blend it out in the places it's supposed to be. Next I'm going to take the Equal Tools brush, and I'm going to just blend this in. I'm just going to keep going back in with Muddy and deepening this color up. Next I'm going to go into this shade right here, Wiz, and I'm going to put this on the outer V of my eye and a little bit going up. Next I'm going to take Full Coverage Concealer by Ulta. Yes, I just got this in the shade Deep Warm. Yes, I just got this concealer from Ulta yesterday. It's like really creamy and thick, and I never really thought to use Ulta as a concealer, but it's so like creamy, and it's like by far one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild flat concealer brush, and I'm going to go into some foundation powder and trace this out just so I could set. If you guys can recommend good translucent powders that are like a cheap price for me, please like put that down below, because your girl is broke. Next, I'm going into my Ulta palette. I just found this randomly on like a clearance rack. I don't know where it's from, what kit it is, and I don't think they have it anymore. But I'm just gonna be putting this color in my inner corner with a flat Ulta brush. So I'm gonna take a flat Ulta brush, and I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray, which works just fine as Fix Plus, and I'm just gonna go and dip into that shade. Next I'm going into my Impressed You Beauty Palette, as you can see, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, right next to the color I just placed. Next, I'm going back into my Ulta Beauty palette, and I'm going in this with this shade right here, lastly, on the outer side.
My lovers, I like a taste.
Next, I'm going into Muddy, and I'm going to blend that all the way across the top of my lid and down, because I don't like how high this is. So. Next, I'm going to go into Wiz, and I'm going to put that on the outer side of my eye with the Beauty Shop brushes. Next, I'm going to take Wiz again and just press it on the outer side and leave it alone. Next, I'm going to take Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer, and I'm going to take glitter and put on... Next, I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer, and I'm going to use this to add glitter to my eye look. The glitter I'm using is Ulta Beauty Face and Body Glitter, and this one is my favorite because it's like multi. Next, I'm going to take the Mary Kay Liquid Eyeliner Pen, and I'm going to line my eye with this. Next, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just going to line the complete bottom of my eye. Next, I'm going to take the Ardel Flux Mink Lashes, and I'm going to apply that to my eye off camera. So guys, I did my foundation. I also put on my lashes, but this eye, literally, I put on this lash 5 different times because it was driving me crazy. But anyways, I'm going back into my Ulta palette, and I'm just gonna go and put some of the darker green eyeshadow under my eye. I'm going to put this eyeshadow under my eye, a little bit further away from it, but under it. Next, I'm going to take a tiny Eco Tools brush, and I'm going back into my Morphe palette, and I'm going to put Wiz, the black color, right under my lash line. Next, I'm going into my Becca highlight in the shade Opal, and I'm going to put this literally anywhere I can. Next, I'm going to take concealer, and I'm going to put this on my lips just so I could get rid of my lips, make them look like they are not here. If you guys just missed what I did because my camera fell, I put on my Ulta Beauty lip liner pencil in the shade Spice, and I put that all over my lips, and before that I put the Ulta Beauty Concealer in the shade Warm Deep or something like that. In the shade Deep Warm, and I put that all over my lips so I could blot out whatever color and pigment I had on my lips. And then I filled my lips in with this lip pencil by Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty is like my favorite. I like advertise their stuff all the time. I didn't want anything to take away from the green eyes, so that's why I stayed kind of neutral with my lips. I hate the way lip glosses look when I turn on the camera and like take a picture of myself on flash. Like, I don't know, it just might be a new thing. I really hope you guys love this look. I loved creating it for you. It was very, very fun, but I had like a ton of struggle trying to get one lash on by the Ardel Mink lashes, but that's all my fault and my stupid eye length, lid length, I mean. But other than that, if you guys really, really like this look, please give it a thumbs up to show your love and support for my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because other than that, make sure you guys check out my other videos. They're like, there's not many on my channel because I'm very busy, but other than that, I hope you guys have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and peace out.
Would you wait for me? I go out to the bar, fuck hanging with stars, don't even have a cup, but you away from me.